Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, we are doing unboxing about action camera. Okay guys, so we will check inside the camera and all accessories inside what we have, and then we will check out the camera if it's good, or you can decide it how you want to purchase this one. Okay guys, so I will do it unboxing. So this is it guys. So I will open this one so we can check what is inside. So this guys, I received this one today after this delivery. The scissor. So this is the box of this action camera guys, sport cam. So full HD 1080p. So specific 1080 waterproof, video 1920 pixels, 15 HPS, then 1280 720 pixels and 30 fps, super wide angle lens, and 140 degrees, waterproof up to 30 meters. So LCD 1.5 to 2.0 inches. It says LCD. Multi-language storage, micro SDHC card but not included. Battery 900 mAh, 1.5 hours. Input output micro USB, and dimension. Length is 59, 3, wide is 24, 6, and 41 for the height. So this is the box of this action camera. Okay guys, so let's open this one. So we have a lot of accessories guys. So this one is the holder of the camera. See? And this is the USB, but the USB is not type C, the normal cord. This is a charging cord, not C type charging cord. And this one is the holder also, and we have also the holder of this one screw. So we will check it out, this one when we use it. And we have for this one, if you're putting in the holder also guys. And this one strap, and strap also, and they have a manual guide, and we have this is the camera guys. Very nice guys. See? So we will check. I'm gonna open this one. Check it out. Where's the battery? So okay guys, so we will open like this. You press this one, then pull up. Okay, so like this. Then remove the camera inside. Push this one.
Ginagawa mo.
Okay. Guys, the case is very nice. See? This waterproofing case. Guys, this is the camera. Okay. Very small guys. I think there's not charging, so we need to charge first. This is the all accessories inside in the box. So this one, you can use this one for mount in your bicycle or what, above in your helmet. You can put this one for use for waterproofing, use in the swimming, or this one scuba diving. So this one accessories holder. So holder from the bicycle or what you can put in your scooter. And this one also wall mounted lock, single hand strap. And guys, this is the HD action camera. I will check it out. I will show you the guys power on, power button. So this is the graphics when you open the camera, sport camera. So guys, let's check. Only like this, guys. That is the camera showing. Yeah? It's not too much blurred, but it's okay. But guys, this one is not free, micro SD. So you can purchase your own micro SD card. So you need to buy it. But this one, guys, is not totally charging, so I will fully charge first, then I will check it out. Okay guys, this is the unboxing of this camera brand Sport Cam. So you can use in the the accessories you can put in like this handle, the bar, the bicycle, all man. And this is the waterproof camera in 30 meters. And the other one, this one used for the normal, not using waterproofing. This one. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.